My name is Noxolo Lubaxa, a UK citizen, but born and bred in South Africa. I've been in the UK now for almost 21 years. And ever since I've been here, I really never heard of an organization called Icebolethu or any organization that would operate. 2 years ago, I happened to meet up with Ntombi, who is Icebolethu representative. So when she told me about this, I was a bit reluctant because I was thinking, how can an organization operate from South Africa and still be able to service the UK? But eventually, she managed to convince me. I've fallen in love with them. I'm being very honest. I wouldn't be sitting here if it wasn't like that. My brother passed away, I would say a month ago. Yes. And remember, I'm here and he is in South Africa and I don't have any siblings. I don't have parents. I quickly picked up the phone because I knew there was Ntombi on the other side. I was crying, not knowing what to do, confused, frustrated, grieving. When my brother died in hospital, that particular day, Icebolethu got involved. I felt like I'm belonging, I'm the part of the family. My second name is Icebolethu. That's how I was feeling at the time. The time of the funeral, it was just exciting because these people are punctual. These people are professional. These people stick to their word. They don't say this and do something else. No, they were there at the right time, going an extra mile. Icebolethu is still exceeding my expectations. The continuity, you just don't feel like you are being left alone after the service. They make sure that every member of the family is well. They've got counseling in place, and there are few phone calls that are made to you to check how you're settling. So they don't stop just there and make sure that everything is still fine and I'm still happy. I'm really grateful to have them, and I would never change them for anything. Thank you very much.